guys are corny, bro. Hello, hello. Alright, yeah, a little pre-speech. Feeling under the weather, but I'm like Jordan with the flu. Yeah, alright. So, I was in Walmart the other day and I was leaving and I heard a voice say, Kazi, I've been watching you for a while and you know how I like my money, so why didn't you give me the heads up that you was stealing my style? I am on to you. But you can't do what I do. You see all of this water and this soda, but I've been had the juice, I've been had the sauce, I've been living like that, and if the money ain't straight, I've been giving it back, I've been plugged in, I've been had dimes, nickels, and quarters, and I'll take a nigga money if I'm feeling out of order. And I laughed. And I laughed. Normally I'll be offended, but when I turn around, I realize I never seen a vending machine talk so much junk. He said, Kazi, I've been watching you for a while. And you know how I like my money, so why didn't you give me the heads up that you was stealing my style? I am on to you. But you can't do what I do. He said, you see this water and this soda, but I've been had the juice. I've been had the juice. Yo, he said, I had this water, money and this water. Something but money and water. But I've been had nah, I ain't reading it. He said, I've been had the juice. I've been had the sauce. I've been living like that. And if the money ain't straight, I've been giving it back. I've been plugged in. I've been had dimes, nickels, and quarters, and I'll take anybody money if I'm feeling out of order. He said, Kazi. He said, stop acting so cocky. Because ain't nobody going to gas you when they find out you're just a carbon copy. And I said, bro. I said, I am offended. So I looked him in the eye and I said, listen here, Rust Bucket. Keep talking all that junk food and I'm going to send you to the maintenance man in the sky. Besides, we're not so different, you and I. As a matter of fact, I feel like we're exact because we both attract the masses and serve them with classics, but you got the easy way out. You get to serve the same food every day. You get to stay consistent. But every time I'm on this stage, they expect something different. I tell them, some days I feel like I'm the vending machine. Because when you see me, you already know you in for a treat. They think they can walk up to me and push my buttons and they expect bars to come out, but I've been A1. You already know you it. They see me and they already know that they in for a treat. They think they can come up to me and press my buttons and bars come out, but I've been A1. I've been A1 before this hype even existed, so respect an OG when you see one. Because this art is priceless to me. You can buy food, but you can't buy food for thought. That's a good bar. As a matter of fact, you should call me Mr. Good Bar. That's a good bar. That's a good bar. This art is priceless to me. You should come, this art is priceless to me because you can buy food, but you can't buy food for thought. That's a good bar. You should call me Mr. Good Bar because even in the crunch, I still snap like Kit Kat, so give me a break. I hate these guys, yo. So give me a break, yo. Because some days I'd rather sell snacks than to carry this chip on my shoulder. Some days I know what it feels like to keep my back against the wall. But I can't just keep all of this stuff bottled inside of me. Because some days I open up to you. You take the bars and then you just throw away the wrapper, but today. But today, you take the bars and you throw away the rapper, but today, I don't feel like rapper. I don't feel like poet. Today, I feel just like you.